Find or read reviews that people are talking about JIANVNUI smart ring for women and men. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Smart ring for women and men track heart rate, blood oxygen, SpO2, HRV, and sleep quality in real time for better wellness insights. This smart ring health tracker helps you optimize recovery, stress levels, and overall health. Smart ring health tracker monitors steps, calories burned, and workout intensity across 128 plus activities, running, swimming, yoga and others activities. The fitness tracker ring provides accurate data to enhance performance. Set your smart ring to automatically measure blood pressure and heart rate at your preferred intervals, example every 30 or 60 minutes. This smart ring health tracker provides personalized, hands-free health insights tailored to your needs. Health rings for women get period predictions and ovulation alerts for better planning. A must-have health ring for women supporting hormonal balance and fitness routines. Whether you're pursuing health data or athletic performance, it's an excellent smart ring tracker. These smart rings can provide you with the most accurate insights to support your fitness goals and enhance your overall health. This is a great gift for family and friends. IP68 waterproof and gesture control. Fitness rings, wear it while swimming, showering, or sweating, no damage worries. Use gesture control to take photos hands-free, making it a smart ring for men and women who love convenience. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.